Let's make sure we're writing what I write. This is, once again, this is the same thing as equations. It's just slightly different. You're going to do the same thing. You're going to figure out, oh, this is an equation, so you're going to write side 1. What? Yes, versus side 2. Now your verses, remember our verses can be less than, equal to, or greater than. Where do you find that? You find that in the sentence with the question mark. So go to the sentence with the question mark and just scan through here. Do you see any words that mean greater than, less than, or equal to? Put a box around those words. Now, you have to understand that this is your greater than sign. That's what you just got to remember. That's your greater than sign. Okay? Now, we got side 1's going to be charter A, charter A bus, and buses for you. That's side 2. I'm going to put an X over the words per, each, and every. There's one. And there's one. Circle my numbers. Now I'm going to look between the numbers. How easy is this? Yeah. There you go. 50 plus 0.4x, 35 plus 0.55x for side 2. I'm going to scribe that out here. 50 plus 0.40x and 35 plus 0.55x. Okay? So for these guys, when you have the less than or greater than, this year you do not have to solve it. Okay? You just have to write it. You just have to model from the words, decode it into an equation. Let's look at example 2. Side 1. Versus. Side 2. Versus is going to be less than, equal to, or greater than. Look in the sentence with the question mark. Do you see any words that mean equal to, less than, or greater than?
Less.
Put a box around those words. I don't care that it's Sprint T-Mobile quite yet. I just know that this is my less than sign. If I've got multiple choice answers, man, I'm already getting rid of the ones that have a greater than sign because I know it's less than. Side 1 is Sprint. Here's my per. Side 2, T-Mobile. Here's my per. Circle your numbers. Look at this. Charges what?
No.
So what do you think that's going to be? 0. Yeah, it can be a 0. Let's see how that works out if we just put a 0 there. All right. Look between the 0 and the 25, between the 25 and the 10. There's a plus. And then if you read this out, this time the words are going to have to just come to you. It says T-Mobile charges no monthly fee, but there's 25 cents per minute. So do you think we're adding the 25 cents? Do you think it's a positive or a negative?
Positive.
Yeah, it's positive. So side 1 is 25 plus 0.10x. And side 2 is 0 plus 0.25x. Okay? So I just want to point something out. This is probably how you're going to see this written. Because we don't have to write the 0. We can just write it just like that. These are the same thing. We just don't have to write the 0 because the 0 is just there to help us model from the words. Okay? All right. That's how you're going to do this. Go ahead and turn the page and start with question 1. Good job.